Hi, this is the next gardener. Have you tried growing succulent without soil? Will succulent grow well? In this video, you can get the answers. First, we choose 2 succulents as test sample. As you can see, they are same variety, same size, and used to grow in a same pot. Then we clean the roots and place them in bright location before planting them. We will grow 2 same succulents in Maifanitum Stones and clay pebbles. And see what will happen after 1 month. To ensure we can get an answer as accurate as possible, we used 2 same plastic containers and drill drainage holes at the bottom so the water can leak out. Eight days later, we can see there is no big difference. After 24 days, only 1 leaf wilted and still no other big difference. Okay, today is the 37th day after we repotted them in clay pebbles and Maifanitum stones. It is time to see if the roots grow very well because we can't see any change from the appearance. Unfortunately, the roots didn't grow longer and stronger as we hoped. And you can see, there is no any new fresh roots came out. So now we know, succulents like loose and airy medium to grow. That inorganic stuff can't provide the nutrients they need. That is why the succulents we used to do test, they didn't grow, they just survive. If you are interested in what is the best soil for succulents, we posted a video before. After test, we repotted them in the soil we use for other succulents. We will post the update if you like. Hope this test is helpful for you to know why we can't use clay pebbles or other rocks to grow succulents. Subscribe us if you like this video. Thank you.